Roca Capital presents a structured blueprint to cut through the AI money hype and execute what actually works in 2026. Stop guessing and start earning. The AI space is full of contradictory advice and impossible promises. This system filters the signal from the noise, eliminating bad advice so you can focus 100% of your energy on viable execution with proven 2026 mechanics. This is the 74-page blueprint for 2026 with zero fluff. It includes 8 comprehensive modules, 4 validated income paths, and 4 interactive visual diagrams for clarity. This step-by-step sequential engine takes you from a reality check and tool setup through the 4 income paths to distribution and scaling for exponential growth. The 4 proven paths to monetize AI are content creation, digital products, AI freelancing, and an automation agency. Use the comparison matrix to pinpoint the exact path matching your skills and timeline. The essential architecture of AI tools guides you to eliminate subscription bloat. The interactive tool stack shows exactly what software you need for generation, automation, and distribution, and what you can ignore. Action cures overwhelm. The interactive 30-day action plan transforms the 74-page guide into a daily execution checklist, from tool setup to path execution and reaching your first revenue target. Accelerate execution with tactical assets. These plug-and-play bonus resources, like the 30-day tracker, scam checklist, and pricing calculator, bypass the trial and error phase entirely. Gain asymmetric leverage for your time. You are buying back weeks of wasted effort, sifting through hype and making expensive mistakes for the cost of a single lunch with this 74-page blueprint.